I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking essential prerequisites and moving immediately. You must know spawn timing and the single only way trigger. Once identified, move toward that trigger without delay. Make sure to prioritize mobility and survivability. Equip dash and shield items, then clear nearby opponents or distractions. While closing in, confirm the trigger's visual cue and prepare your primary attack. Do not waste a respawn window. Instead, position yourself to contest the only way access as it becomes available. Once done with positioning, you must execute a tightly timed capture sequence. First, provoke opponents to use defensive cooldowns so they are vulnerable when the only way triggers. Then, make a coordinated burst. Approach from cover, pop movement, and use a quick damage rotation to outpace rivals. Make sure to maintain line of sight on the Thunderbolt spawn. If contested, reapply pressure and force a disengage. By combining bait, burst, and terrain control, you secure the item before others react. After pickup, your priority is to consolidate value and avoid predictable behavior. You should back off to cover, heal, or refresh shields, and switch to defensive options to preserve the Thunderbolt. Once done, vary your pathing and use fog or vertical cover to reset opponent's aim. If you lose the Thunderbolt, do not panic. Track the holder's last seen direction, create a coordinated distraction, and retake with a timed burst when their defenses are down. That single troubleshooting trick wins it back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.